Depois de muito tempo, bem-vindos novamente ao canal Engenhando. So, we built a robot that can move in X and Y. It's controlled by Arduino, and basically the movement of the robot is controlled by an accelerometer inside the glove. This guy here with Arduino Mega that can receive a signal from the accelerometer, can move the hand. So the Arduino sends a wireless signal to the another Arduino inside this box, and then the Arduino processes this signal, and then the robot can move in X and Y. So he can perform the demonstration for you. Now he will start the demonstration right here. And then the Arduino will process all the controls. Then he can move the robot. Move back, forward, moving the game part. And then he can move it right and then left. So the gripper is controlled by LDR, which is right here in the glove, and it can read a signal from the environment. When it is dark, it will read 0 from the environment and send to the gripper to close. And then if it is different from dark, it will open the gripper, sending another signal to open the gripper. Controlled by these servo motors. Now we can show this doing a demonstration, wrapping this pen, and then you can move this pen by moving the handle. And now you will